应该在必要的时候承担起党员在国家的这样的一个职责，应该勇于担当，充分的发挥自己的党员先锋模范作用。
The beginning of this summer season was exhilarating for Chinese esports club Edward Gaming. It started the 2022 China's League of Legends Pro League summer split with a victory in June. Last year, the Shanghai-based club edged defending champions DWG Kia of South Korea 3-2 to win the 2021 League of Legends World Championship. This was the maiden LOL World Championship title for the decorated club, which has 6 domestic league titles to its name, but never made it to the last 4 at the Worlds before. Coach and general manager of the club, Ji Xing, is the man behind the victories.
我认为，一个教练员就是应该解放选手的思想，让选手们在思想上没有很大的负担，然后能够更加专注于自己的位置。不管发生什么，教练员都能够 control 整个团队的情绪和心态，让整个团队觉得非常的可靠，有安全感。
China is one of the earliest adopters of esports on an official level, announcing it as an official sport in 2003. Over the years, China's esports sector is thriving with more new fans and emerging business models, injecting new momentum into the country's gaming industry and becoming a new growth point.
我觉得这么一个事情是一个非常历史性的一个标志性的一个事件，就是说被政府、被国家正式的承认，纳入国家队。这么多年来，不管是俱乐部选手们的努力吧，还是说行业的从业人员们共同的付出，国家政策的扶持和帮助，包括国民们更多的关注，一步一步才有了现在电竞行业的这个样子。
32-year-old Ji is a member of the Communist Party of China. He says he not only wants to contribute his experiences gained over the years to the development of the industry, but also help drive innovation to vitalize it.
在你刚开始进入这个行业的时候，它就是一个懵懂、非常的初期，然后也是一个创新和需要刚开始探索的这么一个阶段。现在也会做一些整个教务管理系统的搭建，也包括像这2年我们重新的搭建了一个新的部门——健康管理中心。
Ji also says, as a CPC member, it is his duty to pass on the great spirit of the party to the young generation in the esports industry. Inspired by Ji's passion and devotion, EDG player and founding member Ming Kai also joined the CPC last year.
明凯和我作为 EDG 的从开创初期就存在的2位成员，他的整一个的职业的意志品质，对于职业的追求和向往，坚持不懈的这样的一个努力的精神，影响了 EDG 的所有的队员们、后辈们。去年我们夺完世界冠军以后，我们的3位中国选手纷纷也都提交了入党申请书。我们应该在必要的时候承担起党员在国家的这样的一个职责，应该勇于担当，充分的发挥自己的党员先锋模范作用。我们还是要继续秉持着我们的这个我们的前辈们这种精神吧，更多的去参与到行业的生态的建设中去，为行业的这个人才的挖掘和培养尽自己的绵薄之力。